Shots fired.
That's garbage, guy.
Oh, brand new Q5. Had some damage to it, some scratches along the side at the bottom. Permaplate? Really? That's trash, guys. They are upcharging $1,000 for a sealant. It ain't even gonna last past 3 months. It has no hard in it. It's trash. You know, I went to these dealerships around here in town and I was like, hey man, I'll offer the ceramic coatings for you. All you gotta do is send the people my way. What'd they do? Get out of here, little kid. I'm not doing that for you. Permaplate. Scamming people. Garbage plate. Trash plate. Nonetheless, what did I do? I corrected it and installed a real ceramic coating. Ceramic Pro. Bow! Real coating on every part of the exterior. I'm full of anger today. Ugh.